Super delicious chicken niblets recipe. Prepared in air fryer with less than 80% oil. If you love this mouth-watering recipe, take 1 kilogram chicken niblets. Add a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 teaspoon red chili powder or to taste, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoon pink salt or normal salt, 4 teaspoon garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoon yogurt curd, 4 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix well. Cover and keep aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, mix well. In preheated air fryer, grease basket with olive oil. Place in the basket. Initially set for 10 minutes at 190 degrees C. After 10 minutes, apply olive oil. Then flip it. Apply olive oil. Now set for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After each 5 minutes, keep flipping. Once ready, take this out. Super delicious chicken niblets ready. Please try this once. You would love this. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.